Hi guys. So first of all, I really want to thank each one of you who prayed for me and who kept messaging me about my health updates. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful for all your prayers and support. It's been almost 5 months, Inika, and I've recovered a little bit and I'm still recovering. So I just wanted to just share my love to all of you. And many of you wanted me to come live, so I just wanted to meet you. Hi bhai. Hi Ben Somya. Love you. I think all your prayers really worked. So thank you.
बस हो गया काम। अब उधर से बॉक्स का खाली करना होगा, सामान खाली करने के बाद स्टार्ट कर देगा हम। ये रखा नीचे सामान सारा।
Baba. Hi Ashikaka, I'm from Malaysia. Happy to see you again. Thank you. Salamat datang. Love you. Thank you. Hi Goks. Hi Rukai. And hi Radhish. Thank you. Hi Halim. I'm doing better now. By God's grace. Hi Radhika. How are you? Mom. Talevi is back. भाई तेरे को कैसे इतनी तमिल आई? Love you. So you can request me. I don't know how that works, but we can go on a combined live. Thank you, Roger Sylvester. Yes. உங்களுக்கு அஜித் பிடிக்குமா விஜய் பிடிக்குமா? எனக்கு எப்பவுமே ஐம் தலை ஃபேன், பட் தளபதி ஆல்சோ ராக்ஸ். Thank you for all the love. I'm really grateful. I think this journey has been really tough, and it's tougher for everybody. But I'm just trying to be strong and just waiting for hopeful and better days.
Black color, brown color,
And
chalk mitti, dhoti.
soon I'm going to entertain you all with my films. So
ये खीली कलम कहाँ से था?
say my name, Firoz. Hi.
Asian Paint.
Hi Adi, love you.
Asian Paint का।
So thank you.
बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है Asian Paint।
Warm hugs to all my fans. And yeah, health update is I'm able to walk now, and not like how I used to before. I can't run. I'm just waiting when I'll be able to run, dance, and do the things again. But until then, I'm just busy with my physiotherapy sessions, and from today, I started my meetings and just want to get busier and try to overcome few things. Pretty nail art, thank you. Got it yesterday from Zazzle. And it's been so long.
ब्लेड जो होता है, ये जो पट्टी भरने वाला।
Hi, it's Chiku.
देखते हैं अभी है।
Hi, Soundarya.
हमारा है बंद करके चला गया।
Thank you for all your love and prayers. I hope I recover, and I just wanted to come give you all this better face of mine to you, and I just hope you all are safe and love you all. All the love from here to Malaysia to Paris.
नो प्लास्टिक का डब्बा देना है
Who else? Hyderabad. Hi. All the love. Thank you. Hi Rinku. Sure. சேஃபாக இருங்க, சேஃபாக ட்ரைவ் பண்ணுங்கள். நான் இனிமேல் ட்ரைவ் பண்ண மாட்டேன். அண்ட் மோரோவர் accidents do happen, so all be careful. Anything can happen anytime with anybody, and I pray that nothing like this happens to anybody. And more love to you from me and Taku. Taku's here. Taku. Bujju. See. Sleepy baby. Taku. Say hi. Bye. Say bye. Bye. See you. Take care. Love you. Quick live for all the people who wanted me to come and people who didn't want me to come. Bear with it.